was some things that I've been practicing most of my life, and when I come to doing this course, it's much more technical. So obviously the exercise now comes much more hard, because obviously I was doing it not the correct way in the past, but now, because I now have learned to do it correctly, I think, yes, the course helped me a lot. It pushes you every day. And I'm very happy with that, because I made a very big improvement. My name is Kais Tamier. I live in Hassan Bouch, and I work in the military, Maltese Navy, as a soldier for 3 years now. I'm trained to become a personal trainer because I was always in fitness. For me, it was always something to accomplish for myself, as in when it comes to being much more in detail with myself especially, and I picked up on something that I can teach other people how to do the stuff, and I gave this course a try, and now I can apply it to other people much more professionally. I chose the course with EPTI because through word of mouth. I didn't know about the course before I was speaking with other people. They're also personal trainers nowadays, and they also did the course with EPTI. And they told me to go for it. And the course, it can be useful with every aspect about the personal training industry as well. About the course, in general, it's very challenging. It pushes you in all aspects about physical, even the theory, you know, so it's, you have to be prepared for it. You have to study, you need to know what you're studying as well, because eventually it will be tested in the course as well. So I was worried about some like wording, you know, and how to apply it, you know, in reality. But after the course, after everything that went, after the 2 weeks, especially practical, I felt much more confident on how to apply these things into reality as well. So the online course generally is very detailed, and it's very user-friendly as well, as in when it comes to applying the work, to send the coursework to the instructors, and they can correct them. For me, at the start, it was very shaky, because obviously I'm not very keen on technical stuff. But I spoke with people with EPTI, and they laid out to me the steps and how to do it. And I understood that, and from then it was very smooth as well. As for the coursework, in general, it's very detailed, and it's intense as well. You need to study some biology in it as well, but it was very good, very good. I really enjoyed it. When you submit the work, and once they correct it, they show you what you did well, what needs to be corrected. So as for the coursework in general, I mean, it was very well structured, and the feedback what you get in return to correct, so that you send the work again, is also very well detailed as well. So you know what you need to focus on for the next step as well. Regarding the practical course, these 2 weeks, so I did the gym instructor the first week, and then the personal training the second week. Both weeks were challenging individually. You start out with the gym instructor course, and you get to know how to apply your studies, what you've learned, you know, to people. And also with the personal training course, the second week comes much more intense, because you're much more focusing on other advanced techniques. So as for the general, it's very good, very intense. I loved it. There were some things that I've been practicing most of my life, and when I come to doing this course, it's much more technical. So obviously the exercise now comes much more hard, because obviously I was doing it not the correct way in the past, but now, because I now have learned to do it correctly, I think, yes, the course helped me a lot with this. So skills that I think that I've increased a lot and went well is communication with the people, with clients, on how to plan the workouts. That helped me a lot during the course. Techniques of certain exercises like kettlebells and suspension training, which I never tried in my life, suspension training, but it's very, very fun, and you can apply it easily to anyone in outdoor space or even inside indoors. As for preparedness, to be a personal trainer, I have done quite a bit of it in the past, but now I feel much more confident with myself and how to build up with the client, even being a beginner or a client being has experience. I feel that with the clients now I can structure a workout individually, like what the client wants. So now I feel much more prepared, yes. I feel much more confident, and I'm happy. It pushes you to your limits at some days, because you're training constantly, you're having all this new information constantly. So at the end of the day, you need to go home and reflect on what you're doing, and the next day you need to implement them and try and show the instructors that what you've learned into reality, you know. So as for it pushes you every day, and I'm very happy with that, because I made a very big improvement. And as the course was a very good investment for me, and it's for me also, maybe if I want to go maybe one day work abroad, this course is it can open new doors for me. So I'm very happy with that. I have a full-time job. The course helps me with my full-time job. As for my personal life, yes, I can maybe do some like a part-time as a personal trainer as well. And if the opportunity comes, maybe I flip to also a full-time personal trainer. But it was a very good experience, very good journey, and can't wait for what's coming next.